Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD as usual, and yesterday was a nothing day. We're up and down all day. You can see these tails, and at the moment we're sort of like touching the bottom of those tails. I don't think it's going to push through any further, to be honest. I think this is kind of the range that we are going to settle in until we get the data out. Well, not really the data, but we're looking for the Fed minutes for the US markets to come out tomorrow. So that's kind of sideways as far as I'm concerned, and as long as we are sideways, I have no intention of trading it. We do have this major area of potential resistance up here, which was missed yesterday. So I wouldn't be too surprised to see it hit again at 097551. And to the downside, we've got quite a bit of sort of structure right here where we are at the moment, so that's 096824. Now, in saying that, if we do drop below this area here, so in other words, a bit of a drop and a come back, test it, you'd expect a bigger move down into this 095963 area. Probably worth watching the 50-minute if you are looking to trade this instrument. Nope, I lie. This is going to be a range. You can see oscillators already grouped to the downside, so it's going to have to be a proper solid break and then a retest, and the oscillators need to come back to the upside on the 50-minute before I would even look at this. So really not looking at trading price action like that. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen, pretty much the same picture here. We are sort of meandering up, but look at my oscillators warning me that I should not be chasing longs at the moment. If we drop down to the 1 hour, same kind of view. We did get pullback, but we missed the structure. We were looking at some decent structure yesterday for opportunities to buy into this, and basically what happened is we went for the further tails here. So we missed this zone, and we basically used this one here. So, hindsight being a perfect science, that is a pin bar, green pin bar off it. So 200-point stop loss. I didn't have a target to the upside, so that's probably why we're not really interested at the moment. So I really want to see us pull back a lot deeper, so to give us a better opportunity. I think what's happening at the moment is that the dollar is at a pivotal point, and does it keep strengthening, or have we reached a plateau? And the longer we stay sort of in this area up here, the more likelihood it is that we have reached that plateau. And if you just look at the weekly as well, we are pretty much had a strong run this year, very strong run this year actually, and it started last year. But you can see gentle structured moves to the upside, and then all of a sudden this volatility. Nice to make money, but nice to lose money as well. So just looking at that chart, we are so far from everything. Look at that. We've gone parabolic from the moving averages. We are so far from the oscillators. All of this is just screaming, be careful, because there's something going to happen. It's not going to keep going like this forever. Okay, so anyway, I'm kind of sitting on the side of the dollar at the moment. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen. And there's so much noise coming out of the UK at the moment. Poor finance minister there has his hands full, and as far as I'm concerned, that is leading towards an opportunity for us that is brewing. I don't like the way the oscillators are looking at the moment. So we do have European data coming out as well today. So this could be bottom of a range. You can see there's the range, and then a move back up to this area and bounce around in there. Or we're going to see some massive move down. But the way the oscillators are on the 8 hour, I don't think that's going to happen. I think we're probably going to continue going sideways as we did yesterday. Nothing here is conducive to looking for opportunities as far as I'm concerned. And we need to break through the structure and then build a new structure before I start looking at this. So that is a sit on hands. Moving on to Euro British pound. This flag is still in play. Although we're still sideways, we've got a crossover of the moving averages here. So everything here is pointing to a move down. Now, if that is going to happen, that basically means weak euro, strong pound, and then that means that the pound yen is going to rocket as well. Now, just go back to pound yen. If you look at the 8 hour here, you can see the the oscillators are indicating the same thing. So very possible on the macro view, but the minute we come down to lower time frames, look at this, in amongst the moving averages, drifting out of the channel, granted, but it's not a break. It's just a messy situation in amongst moving averages here. This is confusion. This is pure confusion. And for me, I just want to adjust this level because the highs and lows of yesterday are what you actually need to be paying attention to. There they are there. Until we start breaking below the lows of yesterday or the highs of yesterday, I am definitely keeping my money in my pocket on Forex. So, yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. The markets are completely confused. Nobody knows what's going on. Nobody knows what direction we're going to go in. And unfortunately, that just means you need to sit quietly and be patient. Trading opportunities will come, but they're not here at the moment. So I'm a clear sit on hands on Forex. I'm actually not even going to open a Forex chart today. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.